see. How fast... Alright, time to go.
There is no escape!
No more words.
Just jump around!
Put your back into it.
Incinerate!
Time will break you.
Woo! Pew!
My word.
Swear by my sword! Illusion shattered!
Boom boom! Time for your arraignment!
This isn't good.
It looks like we can climb up these pipes. The pattern on the ground seems all messed up. Let's go around and see if there's a way to fix it. It seems to have stopped. Let's continue.
No more words.
Boing, boing, boom! Pew!
There is no escape!
Ah,
I guess this is it. You'll get
Shine down!
frozen down.
da, da, da.
Illusion shattered!
No escape.
Woo! da, da, da. Boing, boing, boom!
Can't run from dead.
The cart is stuck. Maybe there's something wrong with the tracks. Let's try adjusting the direction of the device to clear the tracks. Lee was a brave girl today. I found a really weird-looking lizard. Want me to show it to you?
I'll put you on
Shine down! Ha! Now you shall perish! There is no escape! Ha!
detoxifying heat.
Ha! Ha!
You need to hurry up. Roast and fry. You need to hurry up.
Jumpy Dumpty, go!
Unfortunate fault.
La la la.
Shine down!
No more words. Stay right there. Let's end this quickly. Harden up.
Jumpy Dumpty, go! Blaze into light! No!
There is no escape!
Doors one!
This is trouble. Finally. Well met. You can't run. Have a load of this.
Wind, hear me! Illusion shattered!
This was well
Boing,
done.
boing! That really
too far. You need
There
to
is no
hurry up.
escape! Torn to oblivion!
You need to hurry up.
Illusion shattered!
This one's well done.
Oh, yes.
An unfortunate fault.
Dumpty Dumpty go! Yeah. No fair! Boing, boing, boom! Looking at its operational status, we must prepare for the worst. The god they wanted to create is likely close to completion or already completed. Oh no, what should we do? Paimon can't imagine how hard it would be to fight against a Fatui Harbinger with a Gnosis. Are you nervous? If you really want to know, of course Paimon's nervous. Aren't you too, Nahida? Yes, I am. This is probably the first time I faced with a calamity of this degree since my birth. I feel not just nervous, but curious as well. Curious? Curious about our fate. To me, everything we perceive in this world, everything we learn, and everything that happens to us is considered knowledge. And if it's a form of knowledge, then it can be understood. However, only fate is about that which has yet to occur. So to me, fate is the ultimate knowledge. That's also why I love observing humans and all the things that happen to them. It all brings me great satisfaction. And now, at long last, I'm not just an observer anymore. I will personally experience my own fate with you by my side. Isn't this such a wonderfully exciting thing? Ah, so that's what you mean. Agreed. Okay, let's continue on. I can sense his aura from here.
Who would have thought the world would be so eager for my birth? I remember you, Booer, the god of wisdom, and standing beside you, the traveler.
Is he all-knowing and powerful now like Greater Lord Rukkhadevata? No, I can't feel the same kind of divinity I felt from the Greater Lord. It seems that the sages didn't get the chance to infuse the divine knowledge capsules into him. But even still, He has undoubtedly become a true god now. So we're too late? The Balladeer has already become a god?
The Balladeer. A long bygone title. When my spirit ascended to divinity, I felt as if I had existed for the same number of epochs as heaven and earth. Looking back, the existence of what once called itself Kunikazushi appears infinitely small and ugly.
This imposing aura, it really feels like the gods! A body that capitalizes on the Balladeer's original construction as a mechanical puppet, with the Gnosis serving as a constant power supply. How much effort and resources did the sages put into this? From a purely technological perspective, it's a commendable achievement indeed. It's no exaggeration to say, this is the culmination of human wisdom. You sure are something! Dishing out compliments at a time like this? But I don't think he's reached the spiritual height of a god.
Strife is engraved upon every god and every gnosis brought forth into this world. Can you feel it? The exhilaration of such power, and the thrill of anticipation for our contention.
Nahida wouldn't feel the same things as you!
Do you not realize that you are interrupting a conversation between gods? Lowly creature, know your place!
The strife engraved upon a gnosis. You're talking about the Archon War. Tevat's current peace was not easily won. I didn't personally participate in the Archon War, but the way I see it, all those losses were meaningless, driven by the demands of the laws. There's no point in bringing it up again.
Is that so? Yet I am deeply disappointed that I was never allowed the fortuity to personally participate in the Archon War. This is a first. Encountering a god in this world who does not crave power. No wonder your own people have abandoned you, God of Wisdom. Your judgment is as your existence, unsubstantial. This is where everything ends, Booer, the God of Wisdom. You should know that wisdom cannot solve every problem. Like now, where your only option is to face me in combat. Come! Let us reenact a scene of the Archon War. Come and inaugurate my birth as a god.